In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Google Chrome browser onto a Windows 11 machine. Windows 11 comes supplied with Microsoft Edge, which is built on the open source Chromium project. However, I personally still prefer using Google Chrome on my Windows 11 machine. To get started, double-click on the Microsoft Edge browser on the desktop. In the top search bar, type google.com/chrome, then press enter. Before you install Google Chrome, you have the option to send usage statistics and crash reports to Google. This is automatically ticked, but I'd rather not share this data with Google, so I'm unticking this box. Now click on Download Chrome. This will start downloading the Google Chrome installer to your machine. Once this is complete, click on Chrome Setup.exe. You will now be given the option whether to let this app make changes to your device. This is mandatory to install Google Chrome, so click on Yes. The installer will now take over and go through several steps of downloading the browser then installing it. This normally takes up to a couple of minutes. Once the installer is finished, Google Chrome will now open. It is now installed and ready to use. You'll also find a new shortcut to Google Chrome located on your desktop here. Enjoy using Google Chrome, and thank you for watching.